Well, good morning folks, welcome back to Butcher's Bus. Those who are new to the channel, my name's John. Carol's not with me at the moment. What's this fog about? Well, we was sent a power bank to do a review on. The review's there and everything else. It's just that we feel that the company didn't want us to do the review after they knew what we felt, but we've gone ahead and done it anyway. It's a dilemma I think most of us will get through sooner or later, especially when you're doing a channel. We've been asked to do a number of reviews and we've turned them down because we didn't use the product or we had no use for a product. You know, so why give somebody a review of something we'd never use? But in this case, we have a number of power banks that work really well. And when we're offered an extra one, free of charge, just to give a review, then yes, of course we're going to do it. But when that product doesn't work the way it should do, and you inform the manufacturer and they say, oh, don't do the review, then do we do it or do we not? That's a dilemma. Yeah, watch the video. I'd like you to put a comment below just saying yes, you did the right thing, or no, if I've done the wrong thing, you tell me what I've done wrong. I need to know, because you know, I have a conscience and I don't want to con anybody or lie to people, so I'm upfront. So yeah, watch the video, go to the end. There's some emails at the end where you can actually pause and read the replies to questions I've asked or things I've flagged. So there we go. Enjoy the video. Please leave a comment below. Remember, like and subscribe. That is free as well. The more of you that subscribe, the better our channel goes. Our last video, we had well over 3,000 views within a couple of days. But with 2/3 of you that watch our videos aren't subscribing. It's also been brought to my attention that people that have subscribed have been dropped by YouTube for some reason. It's happened to us with other people we follow. We've noticed we're not being subscribed any longer. So yeah, if you are a subscriber, double check, make sure you are still subscribed to us. We'd be really grateful. Well, that's where we are at the moment. So yeah, sit back, enjoy the video and leave your comments below. Catch you at the end. Bye for now. Okay folks, this is the product we've been sent to do a review. It's a power bank made by Poweradd Pro. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour 37 watt battery bank. What do we get inside? There's your power bank. Charging cable, and of course your usual manuals. Okay, where do I start? Well, basically it's 30 watt, like I said, 10,000 milliamp hours. You have standard USB port and a C port, input output, switch on and off, the standard 4-bar charger, well, charging position, tell you how much charge is in. Double click, turn it off. So there's, you know, that's what it is. Now the review. Where do I start?
At the beginning?
Yeah. They contacted us and said that they had this, they'd like us to review for them. They sell it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. It arrived. It was flat when it turned up, so we put it on at charge overnight. The next morning I got my old Android phone out, which was flat, plugged it in. 2 hours later, this was totally flat, and my phone only reached 38%.
Yeah.
So we thought possibly it needs more time to charge up, even though all the lights were on full. We charged it up again, this time for 24 hours. Put it back into the phone. We let the phone die again, so just get that point over. Put it back in, plugged everything together. 2 hours later, it was flat again, and the phone had only reached 40% full. So conclusion. Firstly, the in-out C port, the out part don't work. It only works with charging the actual power bank. It won't charge, even though it does say in and out, and it says it on the user manual. Secondly, is it that it's faulty? Or is it like a lot of, unfortunately, power banks on Amazon, not what they claim to be? Without pulling it apart and seeing what size battery cells are inside, I am not going to know. I'm not prepared to rip it to pieces, because they're lithium batteries, and you know yourself, if you damage them, it can cause a fire. And I'm not prepared to burn my house down or burn myself. We contacted them through their customer support, who contacted us, explained everything, and said, if you would like us to send it back, that's not a problem. Send us out another one and we'll do an honest review. First email we got was, well, can't you just unpack it, plug it into a phone, show it working, say how good it is, and that is it? No. And my reply was, no, I'm sorry, I can't do that. It has to be an honest reply. If you want me to do a review, you need to send it out, one that works, and we'll do that. The reply come back was, oh, don't worry about a review. Can you just take it outside and take some photos of it, plugged into a phone, and you can keep it? And that was it.
I'm not a happy bunny about that.
And we weren't prepared to do that either. So, yeah, that's where we are at the moment. All right then. Back to me again. Well, folks, there you go. What can I say? I'll put up in a moment a couple of screenshots of the email they sent me. You will actually read in it what they wanted me to do. I notified them. I told them that the product they sent was faulty. It didn't work. It didn't do what it said it was going to do. And their attitude was, well, just do the video, show people you unboxing it, plug it into your phone and just say how good it is, basically. So they expected me as a YouTuber to lie to my subscribers and other followers. Carol and I are not like that. If we do, excuse me, if we do a review, you'll get an honest review. If you go to, I'll put their Amazon link in the description below. Go across and look at it. My advice to anyone that's buying anything off Amazon or even when you've had a review, read the reviews on their site. Don't go straight to the 5-star, 4-star. 9 times out of 10 they could be brought reviews. Look at the 1-star, 2-star and 3-star. That is where you're going to get more of an honest answer. So yeah, unfortunately I cannot recommend this product. I wouldn't advise people to buy it. I would advise anyone that buys a power bank to do your own research first. There's loads of videos on YouTube where people have pulled these battery packs apart, and you'll be surprised how many which are sold on Amazon are fake. They claim to be 10,000 milliamp batteries, chargers, or 2,000 or 20,000 or whatever, and they're not. I believe this one is either got faulty cells in it, which is why it won't charge up the phone past 38-40% before it goes flat, or it's got smaller battery cells in there than what they're saying, which is a lot of YouTubers will actually point out to you. So thanks for being with us. To the company, if it's an honest mistake, I apologise. You had the choice. I did ask you to let me send this back to you. You send me out a replacement, and basically you weren't interested. You wanted me to tell lies. To me, I'm sorry, I have a conscience. Even if one of my subscribers, or even 10%, brought this and found out it was a con, I would be bad. I would feel bad for them. So there you go. Well, this is only my second real review I've done, apart from a few that we've brought ourselves and so on. And unfortunately, we seem to be getting stuff sent us that aren't fit for purpose. So thanks for watching, take care, and most of all, happy travelling. Catch you later. Bye bye.